Today I would like to share you how to install 15.4 beta 1. It is a beta version, a public beta, and it brings a new feature where you can unlock your iPhone using a mask. Even though you are wearing a mask, there is no problem anymore. It is the big feature. But before I getting started in this video, with this feature, even though you are on 15.4 beta 1, it requires iPhone 12 and later. And now let me show you how to install the beta version. First, you're gonna go to Safari. But before you are getting started, you need to make sure that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or personal hotspot. And then you need to go to a beta program here. For the link, I will provide it in my video description. And then what you're gonna do is you need to sign in. Scroll down a bit, click on sign in, and you must sign in with your Apple ID. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my Apple ID real quick so you don't have to wait. And then it will redirect into this link, and then scroll down. You're gonna find enroll your iOS device. Click on that. And now scroll down a bit more. You're gonna find install profile. Click on download profile right there. Now click on allow. So let me go back to setting, and then from setting you're gonna go to general, scroll down, go to VPN and device management, and you're gonna find the profile right there. Click on install. Enter your iPhone passcode. Click on install, and no need to restart. Click on not now, click on done. And now let's go back, go to software update, and then you will receive a new version, so 15.4 public beta. Click on download and install. So it may take a while. Enter your iPhone passcode, because it is around like 5 GB and half. You need to wait for this. So after download and then install, my recommendation is while you are doing this, make sure you are charging your phone while you are update your iPhone to avoid some error. And thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you, and then I will see you guys in the next one.